to imagine in life what it would be like to just look like a freak god. Walking down the street with the biceps and pegs popping, having the ladies checking you out.
Well, ultimately there's only two ways that you can turn this dream into a reality.
The first option is to go to the gym every single day for 7 years. Constantly track what you eat, avoid all junk food, and eventually you may have the body you desire. The second option is this. A fake silicone muscle suit for an astronomical amount of money. Honestly, what idiot would choose this option? Well, I'm that idiot. You see, I bought this suit about a year ago, and after realising how realistic it actually was, I've since worn it around England, on Omegle, and on the beaches of Ibiza. So, the other day when me and my mates decided to travel across the world to Vietnam, I knew exactly what I needed to pack in my suitcase. So without further ado,
this is the muscle suit prank in Vietnam.
I started the evening off just modest, with a very tight blue shirt.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Very strong man.
A lot of people insisted on feeling my muscles the entire night. They absolutely loved it.
3, 2, 1, go! He's good. He's strong. Pick it up. You give it a go now. You go. There we go. What a beast, man. What a beast.
Lady?
Lady what? Happy ending?
Happy ending.
I'd rather just go to the gym.
What?
The gym? Yeah.
Okay.
The gym's over here, yeah? Oh! Apparently the gym's over here. It's not a happy ending, it's the gym.
I can confirm that this guy was not actually taking pictures, but enough teasing. It was time to show Vietnam what a Greek god looks like. The people of Vietnam were mesmerised. Honestly, I couldn't.
We are Metal. If you win, I'll give you this. There you go. You go like that. Whoa!
Yeah, for some reason I got like loads of people coming up and touching my nipples, but hey, it's a no judgment zone. I think it's fair to say that my dream of becoming a Greek god was fulfilled that night. The people of Vietnam loved it, and that was the best £500 I ever spent.
Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like.